Scotland during 1984 when it was in service with 656 Squadron. It deployed as part of a small fleet of Army Lynx that went out there to make up the Garrison Army Air Squadron at Murray Heights, just south of Port Stanley. Much later it was one of those upgraded to Mark 7 format with new electronics, a revived tail rotor, so infrared shrouds for the engine exhaust, amongst other changes. The Army Lynx could carry up to 12 troops, from 2,000 pounds of internal cargo, 3,000 pounds underslung. Its main armament was the tow, which stood for launch, off-track wire guidance, and full mounted guns. It had a Warsaw pack armoured barge come across the North German plain during the Cold War. Things like this would have operated in conjunction with Army Air Corps Gazelle, acting in the observation role as anti-tank platforms. And as we look at this display, we're really seeing it in that kind of environment. It would be a bit lower than this, but that tree line, very skilled at dodging behind trees and just coating the nose up at the right moment. I really find myself losing control of the other classification class during the Cold War, the Army Lynx proved outstandingly successful in Operation Desert Storm in the Gulf in 1991. Almost forgotten now, I would say, the part they played there. The Navy used them to tremendous effect. Peacekeeping efforts thereafter of the Iraq War of 2003 and from 2006 onwards in Afghanistan. And of course, in addition to its primary attack role, like all helicopters, they get used for everything. Jack of all trades, utility, battlefield support, casualty evacuation, go anywhere and do anything. Now, the Mark 7 flight list was found, I believe, clearly. The Navy ones had gone in 2017, and the Mark 7 flight list is 2015. Of course, the development of this aircraft is now in service, so Army Air Corps, Federal Navy, has trials yes, particularly known as the Lynx Wildcat, but really there's very little commonality between the two. They're still, I would say, recognisably an option. This is one of the last 6 Mark 7 Lynx in Army service, with 671 Squadron in the training role at Little Wallop in 2015. Some 4 years later, to Andrew White, out of the historic helicopter put on the Civil Register, it only flew again for the first time in November last year. It was the first privately owned Lynx to take the air in the UK. And we're absolutely delighted to present a debut presentation as a civilian aircraft here today. Brazil, the Netherlands and Norway. The only export customer for battlefield Lynx like this with the skid landing gear was Qatar, who took 3 for their police force, which have long been retired. But the service of the Lynx with the Army Air Corps very ably remembered by historic helicopters.
Leo, do you need a bag?